Hi guys, Candy's here. I got this cute Matchbox Mercedes truck that I'm gonna fix up. Even though it looks green, it was originally red, so somebody tried to uglify it with this military green color. Ugh. So I'm gonna be fixing this up and giving it a little makeover with some prettier color. I decided actually to go for a blue and purple Decepticon colors for my makeover today. I think the cabin gonna be a purple while the back thing is gonna be blue. It's of course, as you know, missing some top part. I'm not sure, it was transporting something rather, and it's supposedly from late 60s. But less talking and let's get to work. Purple cabin. I don't know who decides to paint the Mercedes truck in that kind of green color. Is just yucky. But oh well. Everybody have their own taste, I guess. Okay. I already see it's gonna be so awesome with these colors. You can't go wrong with purple. Purple is the best color ever. Okay. And I love this paint. It dries so fast, and you can have a satisfaction of having a new truck almost instantly. Not instantly, but oopsie. Window is gonna be a little bit smaller than it would be otherwise. Do here a little bit. Turn around and do the other side. So it doesn't move so much. Good. I'm really good with the paint today. Don't get much on the wheels, so it's gonna look awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Turn around. Back is done. Clean up my brush and get back to the trailer. Decepticon blue. Okay. Start with the back while front is drying. That there's a hook on the back, so I'm assuming there was something that was able to connect to this. I actually could not find on YouTube what exact model it was. So guys, if anybody know what model it is, Mercedes truck that originally red, please leave a comment. I will appreciate that. And with it also has this kind of hook, because I saw a lot of trucks with different hooks. This one has this hook. Oh wow, we're here with paint here. There. Okay, turn around, finish this side. There's some visible other stuff that can be painted. A little bit more here. There, so no the red shows. Okay, turn around and go this side. There. This truck actually works very fast and nice to renovate. There's like not a lot of details like on some of the construction vehicles from Matchbox. Okay, and now I just have the inside left, and my Decepticon truck is almost done. Well, since it's missing a top part, I'm just trying to think creatively here how I'm gonna fill it up. So I'm thinking without a top, transporting some kind of chemicals or whatever it would be transporting otherwise. I think it looks oh yeah, there. Oh my god, how could I miss those spots? There. There. I think perfect. My Decepticon truck of perfect colors is ready. But since it doesn't have a chemical tank on top of it ever, my Decepticon truck gonna be transporting this cute kidnapped pigs to a fairy market. And there you go. I think I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.